How y'all doing today? I'm going to be reviewing the FT011 racing boat, courtesy of GearBest. There'll be a link in the description below. First off, this RC boat's awesome. I've never owned an RC boat. I don't think I've ever even driven one. This has got a 2400 kV brushless, 4-cell 30C, 22 milliamp. What's in the box? You got your little balance charger. You also got this stuff right here. You got the little Allen tool. You got 3 extra props. One little grease, miniature RC grease gun, I guess you could say. A wrench. They also provide you with an adapter, which is awesome because they keep you from having to dig from one local. Other than that, this thing, you'll see in the footage below, this is in, this comes in a box too, little holder guy. The trim tabs gets this thing up out of water. Everything's water cooled. The ESC, the brushless motor. This little deal right here, this little right behind the trim tab, as you're going, pushes water, circulates, cools it down. This is the Felion FT011, and this transmitter right here, got to say, is pretty. It's pretty good. I like it. You can trim it, and you'll find out in the, well, I may cut it out of the video, but it also comes with this, and this is the big deal. This right here, this little bumper right here goes on the nose, which I didn't actually think that I was going to need. I went in and put it on before I took it out and ran it right in a damn bank. I let off the throttle, and it does steer different than an RC car, but it is awesome. Link in the description below. I would get this. This is you can throw it upside down. It'll flip over and go. This thing is rad. I love it. Kids love it. I love it. Oh, and the biggest thing about this, if you're out, say you're 50 to 100 foot out, or whatever, it'll shut down. Okay, your battery's done, dead. Well, this thing will turn back. It'll come back on. You hit the throttle, and it'll let you bring it back in the bank. I took my trunks to do this because I figured my first time something was going to happen, and I was going to be swimming with the ducks, you know. So let me give you some footage. There will be a link in the description. Please, if you think about getting into boats, if you want to try it, this I believe is a little over 100, under 120. This is awesome. This is one of the best little deals I've ever seen. Another thing too, you can upgrade to a bigger battery, but the way that this box is right here, I don't know if you can see that. You will have to do some modding, but not much. But very awesome boat, kick-ass boat. Coolest is I feel like a little kid. One of the coolest things that I've driven in a long time, and I run about everything you can think of. This is cool. It's a new part of the RC hobby that I'm really thinking about getting into. But here's the footage. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Maiden voyage. We're going to test it out. Got it? Mm-hmm. All right, we're going to see the distance on it. That's about 100 meters or so. That thing's running good. Didn't stall not once. Hey, if you don't go buy one of these, there's something wrong with you. There'll be a link in the description below. A little choppy. It's running out pretty far. See what it does. It's about 100. Can you still see it on the screen?
Yeah, like the water flowing up and then like a little dot.
Alright, we're gonna run it back.
Do that again.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing's awesome, man. It's the first boat I've ever, this is the maiden voyage of this boat and my first maiden sail of any boat. Let's keep it closer and we can get some video. Them trim tabs get it up out of the water pretty quick. Don't look like it's taking on any water. Choppy. Turns her right good, turns her left, it turns her left better.
It looks like it went underwater. Oh, chicken ducks.
And that thing plane's good. That thing's riding on the top of the water. That's good.
Look at it, it's got holes for water to come out.
Yeah, it's got a build system. I want to trim it out a little bit. Folks, if you haven't seen, I got my trunks on here. My first time riding a boat, driving a boat on the water. It's the first RC boat I've ever attempted to run here. You seen earlier, I ran into the bank. But this is overall a good boat, man. This is awesome. If you're not sure about it, I mean, you're seeing it for yourself. This thing drives like a dream. Not too shabby. I didn't know it was gonna. I didn't think it was gonna be this fast on the water. I wish it was choppy. Oh, running out of juice. Oh, crap. Just so you know, this thing right here, whenever you do run out of juice, it'll die. But then you start getting back in the gas, and it'll let you bring it in the shore. Can't beat that. You need to go get you one. I'll put a link in the description below.